All right, we're going to demonstrate an intramuscular shot to the thigh. This does not hurt. A lot of guys are a little nervous about this. Not a big deal, doesn't hurt, and I'm going to prove it to you. I've got my syringe, I've got my alcohol pad, this is key, and we're going to go ahead and, I've got a thigh. So, upper outer portion, it's the muscle's called the vastus lateralis, but you don't need to know that, but basically it's the upper outer portion of the thigh. Very easy to get to, not much fat over that in really most guys, not just me, but most guys. And the key is make sure you use your alcohol to sterilize the area. Okay, and then dry that off, otherwise that's when it can burn when the needle goes in. Okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna get my syringe here. The needle does not need to go all the way in. You've got plenty of room to go. The key is just to get it in the muscle. And you pull the skin here, it'll make it less uncomfortable. And then the other thing is make sure you relax your leg. Don't tense those muscles up. And then go ahead and put in and pull back. I'm about half the needle right now. No blood when I pulled back, so you go ahead and inject it. It's going in right now. I cannot feel this. I literally cannot feel this. Pull out fast so you don't cut yourself. I don't even have any blood there. I don't even need a Band-Aid. Rub it in a little bit. Zero pain. You're off.